It definitely makes our life easier. We've hired over 8 people this year. My name's Jack and I'm a talent acquisition manager at 10x Banking. We're a fintech based out of offices in London, Leeds and Sydney. We're remote first. Our product is a product called Supercore, which is a cloud native banking operating system, which allows our clients to plug in seamlessly and create market leading solutions for their customers. Over the last 2.5 years, we have experienced times of real growth, especially in our product and engineering space. There are obvious challenges around finding all the right caliber of people. We found ourselves in a position where we had capacity to take on new tools. That's the reason we're using Cord, to help us reach areas of the market perhaps that we weren't already. One of the first things we do in the morning, going on, having a look at potential new candidates that have come through, new messages or replies that we've had from the day before as well, and booking in calls with candidates who have got in touch. It's not time consuming if you can kind of keep it ticking over on a daily basis. Having a very good first interaction with people, resulting in a useful conversation with them, comes from ease of use, being able to build in aspects that make our life easier. Creating templates is very intuitive in terms of what you can add to those templates and how you can use them. It's not kind of spamming lots and lots of people and hoping for the best. It's a lot more targeted. So I would say really good conversion rate from reaching out to having a conversation. And then also 9 times out of 10, if we're doing our job properly, those conversations should turn into introducing people into interview processes. The volume in the areas that we work in is good because it's software engineers, product roles, testers, those kind of positions. So the volume is at a healthy level. There has to be a focus on quality over quantity. And that's why Cord fits in quite well to that. The people that you're seeing on Cord on a day-to-day basis are way more likely to have those interactions and have those conversations that you can start. The first hire was a senior principal engineer position. Historically, a very tough one to fill, a very high barrier to entry. I would say from first interaction through to offer, it was around a 4-week turnaround. In terms of percentages, is around the kind of 55 to 60% mark in terms of response rate, which is really high. From interactions on Cord, we've hired over 8 people this year. One of the reasons we looked at tools such as Cord, we had a lot of agency spend. We're actually now up to around 75% direct, which is a massive turnaround and something that has obvious benefits around cost.